Let's ready for the other type of mirror, which is here, the mirror draw axis. Let's be ready for this one. Ready now? Okay. So for the mirror, okay, let's just compare. No? The first one is you're going to mirror by picking an axis. The second one is you're going to mirror as well by drawing an axis. No? So the shortcut is DM. Okay. So I'm going to select these two cars. No, I already told you that you can select elements using window, using crossing, okay, or you can even use your mouse by pressing the control. You can add. Now, once those elements are being selected, press DM, okay, and let's select the center of this guide. Click, and then click OK. So you will also perform the mirror. So the shortcut is DM. The other one is MM. Should I write it in? Okay. So just quickly do this exercise number 2, and I believe you just have to select everything, you know. Exercise number 2, DM. This one and this one. Okay, quickly do the exercise number 2. I just have some tips for exercise number 3. Exercise number 2 done? Okay. For the exercise number 3, better, okay. Exercise number 2 done, sure? Let's go exercise number 3. Now, for exercise number 3, don't mirror something, you know, don't repeat the mirror. For example, here, I will select everything, okay, like this, and I will perform mirror, no? So what do you think will happen to this one, no? Let's say I'm going to mirror it like this. What do you think will happen in these two walls? They will be duplicated, no? So when you select it, actually, before you perform mirror, deselect these two. And how do we deselect again? By pressing. How do we deselect element? How? Tell me. How do we deselect an element? We said that press and hold the control key. Control is to add. Press and hold the shift to subtract. Yeah. So press and hold the shift key. Shift. And subtract these two. Shift. Control to add. Shift to subtract. Can you subtract these two first before you perform the mirror? DM. Okay. So this one and this middle point. Were you able to subtract it? Done. All of these are done. Right. I would say that, that it's like, right. So tapos first. Kasi ano siya? Here. Okay, split element. So split element, let's reduce this portion. Okay, or no, let's remove this portion here, no? So let's use the tool split element SL. Okay, type in SL. Okay. Actually, when we cut the wall, no, without checking this, okay, let's better if we're going to delete this inner segment. Okay, better to show it to you first. Okay, don't just watch here. So SL, if the delete inner segment is not checked, this is what will happen. I'll cut here, and then this portion will stay, no? And then we delete it. Now, if I press SL and I check this delete inner segment, if I click here, watch, if I click here, see, automatically this portion will be deleted. So that's exactly what we want to happen for this one. So when you press SL, make this delete inner segment check. Done? Yeah. So see here, we need place your cursor here to this wall. Can you see the little preview there or the dimension? Can you see that? 400. When you place your cursor here, did you see that? Do you see this measurement? Once it's 400, click. Okay, the opening of that door is actually 1,800. And then click. So that's the portion that we want to remove. Again, see? So press SL and make this delete inner segment check. Place your cursor here. No? Can you see the preview there? The measurement? Yeah. So the first cut is 400. And then the total opening is 1,800. And then click. Since we check the delete inner segment, automatically this one is deleted. Again. Okay, so let's just apply it here. So the exercise number 2, SL. SL, let's start. Okay, delete and inner segment is also checked. Let's start from this one. From this side is 3,000. And then the other side, okay, come from the other side, no? So you can find 2,800. Okay, that's question is 3. Let's not copy exactly with the split with gap, no? For this is okay. Are you done with the second exercise for slice? Or split element, I mean. Done? Okay, let's move on. So split with gap. No? This is actually useful for expansion joint. No? There will be a gap, no, but this is one is too much actually. No, let's just apply. Let's not copy this one exactly, because there are some steps that we need to do in order for us to make exactly like this. No, so split with gap, actually this is the first modifying tool that has no shortcut. Again, this is the first modifying tool that we're going to discuss that has no shortcut. So I told you, no, in order for you to see those modifying tools, do I need to go to this modifying tab? No need. Just select any element. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this wall, the modifying tool will come, yeah? So this is actually, so we're done with align, offset, mirror peak axis, mirror draw axis, split element. We're now talking this split with gap. So let's just click this split with gap since it has no shortcut. Now, let's say there is a 5 centi gap, no? 50. Oh, joint gap 50. So 5 centi. So let's, for example, click here. So there will be a gap of 5 centi. Where can we use this one? Expansion joint. What else? Any gap. Okay, so let's just prove, no? Let's just prove that this is 50. Did you write 50 also? So let's make DI. Let's press DI for measurement. Okay. Okay, maybe there are some options there in your system right now, no? I will explain it later. For now, make this one wall center lines after pressing DI, DI, wall center line here, individual references. Individual references. So click here, and then move it out a little, and then click somewhere here. So what's the distance? So that is exactly the distance when you applied the split with gap. We're able to place measurements. Can you place measurement? Because this is the first time we do this one. Split with gap first. And also, okay, and I noticed that your line is very thick. No? So you can actually so this time, press 10 so 10 lines on. Okay, press TL 10 lines. Yeah, thin lines. When actually, when thin line is on, all the lines you will see is line weight 1. Okay, but if it's off, it will show you the thickness of the object as per the one you set. No? It will be a very complicated things if we're going to discuss everything now. But let me just give you an idea. So actually this one can be found on your Manage tab. Okay, object styles. Okay, so there are 2 categories here, projection and a cut. No, since there is no layers anymore, how do we represent lines in AutoCAD? Let's say we want the lines thick, we want the lines thin by specifying the line weight. Yeah, flat style. So now here it's by category. No, when the wall is being projected, the thickness will be 1. If it's cut, currently it's cut. No, because it's hard to explain actually now. Okay, let me just better if I'm going to do like this for you to have an idea what's going on. So I have so this is a wall. Okay. So now let me just go back to the Manage Object Style Walls. Now here, the projection of my wall is 1, and the projection of when it's cut, okay, it will be 4. No? Now I'm going to use the section box. So here, okay. When we are looking on the plan, we are cutting the building somewhere in the middle, yeah? Somewhere here, when you are looking on the plan. So when you are looking on the plan, see the projection of the wall? Okay, let me just hide this one. So if the wall is being cut, the thickness will be 4 as per stated here. No? So walls is 4. No? Let me just add, let's say I'm going to make it exaggerated like 8. See? Okay, I'm just going to make it 3 again. Okay, so that is when the wall is being cut. As I've told you, there are 2 sections here, projection and cut. So when the wall is being cut, the thickness will be 3. Now, I will make up this section box. Oh, no. I mean this. So the wall is being projected. Okay. When the wall is being projected, the thickness of the line is 1. Okay, I'll just make it more for you to understand. So when it's projected, it goes like this, no? So that is, here, because I made it. So what is cut? Now, what is going on in our exercise file? So again, when the thin line is on, you cannot see any line with more than 1. All the lines are 1. But if it's off, see, the walls, it's very obvious, no? That the wall thickness, when it's cut, is more